So on this lesson, we are going to learn about this drawing tool. So let's create our new slide. Let's create a blank slide and let's place it under this paragraph. And let's try to create some of the shape and few of the design through this drawing tool. So on this drawing tool, you can see that here are lots of shapes available, so you can use any of them. So let me take this heart shape and let me place it over here. You can use shift so that it have its exact format, or without shift what will happen, it will just might change its shape as well. So let's take this heart, and now you can see that we have been taken to a shape format option. So from here we can change this shape color, we can change the fill color from here as well. Let's create it as red color. Let's select more color and select red. All right, and now we have the shape color. Now here is a shape outline. So let's create no outline so that it looks pretty good, and we can also use shape effect. So let's give it a effect shadow. Let's place a shadow. All right, so now we have created a shape. Also we can, let's go to home, let's create a different angle of shape. Let's take a rectangular, and also let's take a triangle. All right, and let's change the triangle color to green. And over here you can see that we have edit shape option. We can change shape as well. From here, edit shape, let's change this shape to plus, right? And even we can edit all of this point. For example, let's just drag this point from here to there, and you can see that we are able to create different form of shapes. And we can also use this edit point to create our own shape, right? So let's undo it and let's keep it as it is. So right now we can change its fill color. Let's make it this color, and let's bring in front, or let's bring this rectangle to the front side. All right, we have able to create or bring forward this rectangular box. Now let's send it backward once again. Also we can align this shape center left according to this presentation slide. Now we can rotate it. Let's rotate it to 90 degree, and I hope it looks pretty good at the moment. Then what also we can do is we can select its height manually and width as well. So from here we can use lots of shape options. So right now let's select on this heart shape, and I want to place an image inside it. So let's go to this shape and we will select a shape fill color and use a picture. Let's use online picture. So let's go to online picture, and from here we will use a picture. All right, let's search for a man. Let's select a random picture. Let's insert it, and you will able to see that the picture have been placed inside that heart, right? We can even take it back to the solid color. So this is how you can use your shape, be creative, so that you can use them to make a lots of design pattern. For example, over here you can see this design for the page number, how they have done it. They just took a circle, and let's move it over here. Let's edit the point. Let's let's select it, and now we will go to shape format. So over here what we will do, we will place this rectangle on top of this circle. Let's select both of them, and let's go to this smart shape option. And if we click on subtract, you can see that our round shape have been subtracted. And this is how we can create amazing shape in our Microsoft PowerPoint.